Welcome to our CTC Software Rapid Introduction to one of our tools. In this session, we're going to talk about the Snapshot Exporter. In Revit, if you've installed the BIM data suite, there will be a tool here on the BIM data suite from the CTC Software tab called Project Snapshot Exporter. This tool's purpose is to allow you to take information that exists in Revit. You can filter it however you like by choosing specific categories. In my case, I'm grabbing all. Specific types of data. In my case, again, I'm grabbing all of it. And specific parameters to include. The fewer parameters you actually decide to go after, the faster the snapshot can happen. In this case, I'm going after certain parameters that I'm going to use for a health check on my project. Once you've captured this information or told it what you want to grab, and you click OK, you can tell it where you'd like this information to go. In my case, I'm choosing to go to my SQL server, which happens to be on my own local laptop at this point. But this could just as easily be in a data center in my office somewhere. In fact, that's probably the preferred way. You have other file types you can choose to go to as well, but when you're done with this, you can simply click Begin, and this will begin the data capture for you. So how is it that you can go about using this data? Because once you have it, you want to do something with it. Well, in my case, I like using Microsoft's Power BI. You could also use a tool like Tableau, you could use Click. There's a number of different business analytics tools that you can leverage to view that information. When I'm looking at this, I can lay these dashboards out however I'd like to get access to the different bits and pieces of information that exist inside of Power BI. In this case, again, my overview board is telling me some general information about the project. It's accessing that information directly from SQL Server. I've been filtering for a specific snapshot for a particular model and a certain date and time when that particular snapshot was taken. I get all kinds of information that I can work with. For example, if I want to know more about these 80 project parameters, I can go to the Project Parameters tab and understand things like if it's shared or not, if it's a visible or invisible parameter, which categories are affected. There's all kinds of things you can do with this. The more data you go after, the more information you can actually represent inside one of these dashboards. So with that, thank you for the time you've given us to take a quick look, a very rapid introduction at the data suite. There's a lot more that you can find out about on our website if you'd like to. To ask more information, certainly contact our sales team or our technical team, and we'd be glad to get you more information on these tools.